Matrix.
The Wakanda Coquito. The Black Panther Coquito.
Say greetings.
Greetings, peace and blessings, peace and power. Pioneer member, Mixed Freedom endorser, Mixed Freedom TV, Powerful Pioneers, Nitro Media, and a host of other brands, man. I'm a brand ambassador, health and wellness advocate, multimedia, can't say specialist yet, but I'm a specialist. That's what I do, naturally. No practice, we just do this naturally, all right? Right now we're on the boat, Houston, Texas. Way out in the ocean. You see what's going on with the whole team. We just giving thanks. We just, enjoying nature, being one with the elements. The dolphins is out. They having a beautiful time. I seen some swan. We got, a bunch of ships docking out here in the middle of the ocean. I mean, we just, alkaline ourselves with nature. That's what we're doing out here today. So, become one with the nature. You become one with the divine. Peace and power. Blessings.
Ashe. Want to give a shout out, sis?
Shout out to the sun. The boy comes out and just fit our melanated skin and blessed. So excited to be around all these people in this sacred space. Feeling good. Embracing this moment.
So we've now gotten a lot closer to the Bolivar Point Lighthouse on
Yodo.
That lighthouse was built in 1872 out of cast iron. When it was a functioning lighthouse, it would have been painted black and white stripe. But throughout the years, it hasn't been in use since it was retired in 1930.
Ashe, we're going to do an interview a little later where y'all can definitely go a little more in depth. But we just give you a little preview of what's going on in the meantime. Paparazzi in the building, turn your head, look at that. Hey. They focus. They on their phone on the boat. You see technology? They're on the phone on the boat. Supposed to be looking at nature, talking to the water. You know what I mean? You want to give a shout out real quick, brother?
Hey, what's going on out there? This is Jason Prince. Dallas, Texas. Enjoying myself with the Grandpa Secrets family.
Shay.
Yes, sir.
One love. Definitely, like I said, we're going to do an interview later, get more depth with those who are here. We got some pioneers in the building, Latonic in the building, Reverend Duke in the building doing this thing, Yes. We got the team here. Ashe, Queen Nice is in the building, giving thanks. India in the building. All right, smile for the camera. Ooh. Doc, what's going on, Doc? You want to give a shout out to the New Yorkers, let them know what you do, what's going on? Just real quick, brief shout out.
I'm Dr. Yerbaum. I'm a medical scientist and I also deal with naturopathic remedies. So I'm also a cancer specialist, deal with all kinds of cancers or health issues. And I recommend natural products for those who are having problems or any kind of health problems. So I'm also trying to teach our people about health, being in good health, eating the right kinds of food and organic food, fresh vegetables, prosperous vegetables, to eat things like broccoli, cabbage, and green leafy vegetables so that they can stay healthy, mostly organic, because all the other foods, including fruits, because some of the fruit and vegetables are grown on artificial fertilizer and it has a lot of chemicals. So we have to be very careful what we eat, because food is medicine, and so we have to know the kinds of food we eat. And we should also eat a variety of foods, not just one kind, because we are fond of just eating what we like, but we are supposed to eat a lot. Like the animals, they eat a variety of grass and so on. And because those different plants and fruits have different enzymes, that is very helpful. So, including things like probiotics, because when we just eat all this fast food, it actually depletes the gut's normal bacterial flora. So, having probiotics will replenish that. And so we try to educate our people so that has to be strengthened so that our brain should also function well. It has to have the communication between the brain and the blood. It's very important. So that's what I try to teach our people.
Powerful, family. And definitely we're going to do another interview a little more in depth when we reach back at the hotel, so you can get more information about Doc. He'll give his website, everything. You know, this is a beautiful trip. You know, the superstars is out. You know, we are the superstars.